So what you're seeing here is two correlation plots. The top is with a pre-silicon simulation and the bottom is a post-silicon measurement. And there's a few things that stand out here. So first of all, we see more, let's say, area under the graph. Oh yeah, and the different colors are the different S boxes. So this is software, so they get sequentially calculated. So you see the leakage width of 3 S boxes. Now, from a distance, you can also see the leakage post-silicon. So we have them. We have the leakage on both sides, but the graphs aren't exactly the same, which is not unexpected. I mean, pre-silicon and post-silicon will of course differ. The question is, are they good enough? So in the software case, it took 50 traces to retrieve the key. This is, by the way, with countermeasure off still. And in the hardware case, it took about 350 traces to get the key out. So obviously, in simulation, we have no measurement noise. The only noise we have is algorithmic. So we should see more correlation, and we're seeing that here as well. If you're experienced at squinting at traces, you might actually see that there's some misalignment here as well. So here you can see the peaks in post-silicon sort of aligning with this blob pre-silicon. With blue, you can kind of see two peaks at the bottom and a larger peak in the top. They sort of align. But for the middle set, sort of brown colored, you see that the post-silicon is shifted to the left. And for the cyan color, you can see that the post-silicon peak is shifted even further to the left. So there was actually some timing misalignment. We had to dig a little bit here on what's going on. But what it turned out to be is that the memory model that we got actually was, first of all, only behavioral and actually wasn't clock cycle accurate to our post-silicon. So even though our simulations worked, we could run the Pico core, it would do memory transactions, say post-silicon, turns out there was like a 1 clock cycle difference for loads and stores towards the memory. So that gave us some misalignment here.